What if I told you that the future of the real estate industry lies in the hands of AI, drones, and robotics? Yes, you heard it right. Technology has been steadily revolutionizing various sectors, and the real estate industry is no exception. In fact, it's at the forefront of this transformation. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is now a vital tool analyzing vast amounts of data to predict market trends and provide accurate property valuations. Drones, those incredible flying machines, provide breathtaking aerial views of properties, aiding in inspections and even conducting three-dimensional mapping. And then there's robotics, automation that's streamlining property management tasks and transforming customer interactions. These aren't just cool gadgets or complex algorithms, they're game-changing tools that are redefining how we buy, sell, and experience properties. So, are you ready to dive into this fascinating world? Let's unfold the mystery of how these technologies are changing the face of the real estate industry. Imagine a world where intelligent algorithms predict market trends and provide accurate property valuations. Now let's not just imagine, but dive into the reality of artificial intelligence, or AI, in the real estate industry. AI is not a futuristic concept anymore, it's already here, transforming the way we buy, sell, and manage properties. It's like having a super smart assistant that can analyze massive amounts of data, make accurate predictions, and streamline complex processes, all in the blink of an eye. Let's start with market trend predictions. AI algorithms can sift through a vast amount of data, including historical sales, property features, and local market factors. By analyzing these patterns, AI can predict future market trends, helping investors and buyers make informed decisions. For instance, a real estate firm in San Francisco leverages AI to predict which properties will be hot in the next 6 months. This not only helps investors to buy at the right time, but also aids sellers in setting competitive prices. Next, let's talk about property valuations. Traditionally, real estate agents would manually compare similar properties to determine the market value. But with AI, this process is now automated and much more accurate. An AI-powered tool, for example, can instantly analyze thousands of property listings and sales data to provide an accurate estimate of a property's value. This saves time, reduces errors, and ensures a fair price for both buyers and sellers. But AI doesn't stop at market predictions and property valuations. It's also enhancing the property viewing experience. Virtual property tours powered by AI allow potential buyers to explore properties from the comfort of their homes. AI can customize these virtual tours based on the preferences of the viewer, emphasizing the features they care about the most. For example, a young couple in New York was able to tour a dozen properties virtually in a single afternoon, saving them valuable time and narrowing down their options effectively. Moreover, AI is enhancing the efficiency of real estate transactions. It can automate routine tasks like drafting contracts or scheduling viewings, freeing up agents to focus on more strategic activities. Plus, AI can analyze potential buyers' behavior and preferences to suggest properties that meet their needs, making the buying process smoother and faster. In a nutshell, AI is the key to unlocking a seamless buying experience and making informed investment decisions. It's not just about buying and selling properties anymore, it's about creating a personalized, efficient, and intelligent real estate experience. AI is here to stay, and it's revolutionizing the real estate industry one algorithm at a time. So whether you're a buyer, seller, agent, or investor, embracing AI could be your key to success in the ever-evolving world of real estate. Picture a drone capturing breathtaking views of a property, providing an immersive visual experience like never before. That's the reality of today's real estate industry, where drones are playing an increasingly pivotal role. Drones, those buzzing aerial wonders, have soared into the real estate world, adding a new dimension to property viewing and inspection. Gone are the days of static ground-level photographs. Today, we're able to experience a property from multiple angles, even before setting foot on the premises. Imagine this scenario. A potential buyer sitting miles away is able to take a virtual tour of a property perched on a cliff, with the ocean as its backyard. The drone glides over the property, capturing panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, zooming in on the intricate architectural details, and even peeking into the nooks and corners of the house. This is not just viewing a property, it's experiencing it. But drones in real estate are not just about pretty pictures and virtual tours. They're also about precision and accuracy. Drones can conduct property inspections that were previously difficult, if not impossible. For instance, inspecting a roof for potential damage or assessing the condition of a property that's difficult to access due to its location or structure. Let's consider a case study. In a recent property assessment, a drone was used to inspect a century-old mansion. The drone was able to capture high-definition images and videos of the roof, chimneys, and upper-story windows, areas that would have been challenging to reach otherwise. The data collected allowed the property inspector to accurately assess the condition of the mansion and provide a comprehensive report to the potential buyer. Drones are also instrumental in creating 3D mapping of properties. With advanced software, the images captured by drones can be transformed into detailed 3D models. These models provide a realistic view of the property, allowing potential buyers to visualize the space better. In a world where time is money, drones are proving to be a boon to the real estate industry. They're efficient, reducing the time it takes to capture images or conduct inspections. They're cost-effective, eliminating the need for expensive equipment or multiple site visits. And most importantly, they're convenient, offering flexibility in when and how property viewings or inspections can be conducted. In conclusion, drones are more than just a cool gadget. They're a powerful tool that's transforming the real estate industry. They're helping agents and buyers capture and experience properties in ways that were unimaginable a few years ago. Drones are elevating the level of accuracy and convenience in the real estate world. They're not just changing the way we view properties, they're changing the way we experience them. And in the process, they're redefining the future of real estate. So, the next time you're exploring a property, don't be surprised if a drone is part of the experience. Envision a robotic assistant that streamlines property management tasks and delivers personalized property recommendations. This is not science fiction, it's the reality of the real estate industry today, thanks to the transformative power of robotics. Let's delve into the impact of robotics on the real estate industry. Take the case of robotic automation in property management. Routine tasks, such as maintenance and inspection, are now being handled by robots, freeing up property managers to focus on other strategic aspects. For instance, robotic lawn mowers and pool cleaners take care of property upkeep, while inspection robots can crawl into the smallest spaces to detect leaks, cracks, or pest infestations. These robotic assistants not only perform tasks efficiently, but also reduce the risk of human errors. Now, let's consider the arena of customer interactions. Robotic receptionists and concierges are becoming increasingly common in luxury real estate properties. These robotic assistants can recognize residents, answer queries, and even facilitate package deliveries, providing a seamless and personalized experience for tenants. Moreover, the advent of robot-guided tours has been a game changer. Prospective buyers or tenants can now explore properties at their convenience, with robots delivering guided tours and answering queries in real time. This technology not only provides flexibility to customers, but also enables real estate agents to cater to a larger number of clients simultaneously. And let's not forget about the role of robotics in tenant services. Imagine a robotic butler that takes care of household chores, or a robotic chef that prepares gourmet meals at the touch of a button. These are not far-fetched ideas. Several luxury apartments are already offering these services to attract high-end clients. There are also robotic parking systems that maximize space utilization, a critical aspect in urban properties. Cars are automatically parked in compact, multi-level facilities, solving parking woes for residents and adding a significant selling point for the property. Lastly, there's the exciting realm of construction robotics. Robots are being used to lay bricks, install drywalls, and even conduct site surveys, significantly speeding up the construction process and reducing labor costs. In conclusion, robotics is revolutionizing the real estate industry, from property management and customer service to construction and tenant services. The use of robotics is not just about automating tasks, it's about enhancing efficiency, improving accuracy, and delivering personalized experiences that were previously unimaginable. Robotics is the future of customer service and property management in the real estate industry. As we continue to explore and embrace these technologies, we can look forward to a future where buying, selling, and living in properties becomes an even more seamless, efficient, and enjoyable experience. As we've seen, AI, drones, and robotics are unlocking immense potential in the real estate industry. The transformative power of these technologies is reshaping the way we buy, sell, and experience properties. AI's intelligent algorithms are revolutionizing market trend analysis, property valuations, and virtual property tours, enhancing efficiency and providing informed decisions. Meanwhile, drones are offering a bird's-eye view, delivering breathtaking visuals, aiding in property inspections, and enabling precise 3D mapping. On the other hand, robotics is streamlining property management tasks, from maintenance and security to tenant services, and even transforming customer interactions with personalized services. The integration of these technologies is not just elevating the real estate experience, but it's also predicting a future of increased convenience and accuracy for buyers, sellers, and investors. Embrace these technologies to stay ahead in the ever-evolving real estate landscape. Don't miss out on the revolution. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to confirm that you've received the knowledge from this video. For more exciting content, make sure you watch the recommended video on the screen and stay updated with the latest advancements in the world of technology. Thanks for watching with AI Discovery.